Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer.
Small center console for cars, trucks, minivans, SUVs, vehicle organizer, cup holders, recycled plastic, made in USA, black. Measure the space between your front seats, length, width, height, to ensure the console will fit. Check your use case. Will you just store small items, phone, keys, wallet, or also need cup holders, armrest, larger storage? Material and finish matter. Plastic is easy to clean, leather or faux leather gives a premium look, recycled plastic is eco-friendly. Compatibility. Some are universal fit, others are made for specific car models. Make sure features like cup holders, lid opening, fit with your car layout. Universal fit or minimal drilling required, especially useful if your car didn't come with a large factory console. Integrated cup holders and small item compartments, keeps everyday items organized and reachable. Durable surface and finish, should survive sunlight, wear and tear, and cleaning. When you search online/local stores, Bangladesh/Asia, plug in terms like Universal Car Center Console small size and filter by size and compatibility with your car. Thanks for watching and subscribe.